Alright guys, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing a light bar on the Subaru. You guys haven't seen the Subaru yet. It is a 2006 just regular Impreza. I've been off-roading with it and it held up. This thing's got 160,000 miles, but it drives like perfect. No oil leaks. No oil leaks. That's the key. And I mean, the paint's pretty good. It's got a little bit of dew on it right now because it's so cold outside. But I mean, the headlights are perfect. The interior is super nice, as you can see. But this is the light bar that we're going to be putting on it. It's got like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, about 42 lights in it. So it should be pretty bright. We're actually going to mount it pretty low. At first, I might move it in the future to up here more, but I don't have the time really to be doing that right now. So we're just going to drill some holes right here, and it's going to face out and hopefully help with the brightness of the headlights. And let me go ahead and I'll plug it into my jump pack real quick so you guys can see how bright it is. Oh. Yeah, that's bright. Okay. Yeah, that's really bright. So it should work out pretty good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna do a driving video without the light bar, and then with it on. I already have the car in the garage, so we're probably just gonna drive around without the light bar on to compare it with it on and off. But I'll see you guys in a second once we get started. While I was doing that video, this dude was drawing me, man. That's pretty good, dude. That's pretty good. All right, so we got the light bar on. It's pretty sturdy. We're gonna zip tie it though, just to add some more rigidness to it. And then we're gonna run these wires through there, up under here, over to, oh, the battery's right there. That's actually perfect. Then through the firewall to a switch, from the switch back to the battery, I believe. And then that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and hopefully it stays on there. See you guys in a bit. All right guys, so I kind of forgot to vlog the progress, but we got it all hooked up. Do you want to hit it for me? She's pretty bright. I can't see. We're gonna pull this out and show you guys. Yeah, oh geez, that's pretty bright too. We're gonna pull it out and drive the car to compare it between the headlights and the light bar and the brights. I'm pretty sure that that's brighter than my brights, to be honest. So all right guys, so we're in the car. These are my headlights. All right, those are my brights. All right, and then we got the light bar. And then if we turn on the brights with the light bar, then it's just like double bright. But I mean, it's a big difference between like how wide it goes. So watch with the brights on.
I don't think the camera does that.
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't.
Oh yeah, a lot.
Doesn't show how far it can go though.
Yeah, we're gonna drive on the road so that you can see how far it is. But like, look over to the right, kind of, and you can see just how. These are my brights, and then that's with the light bar. It's a big noticeable difference. So we're gonna go ahead and drive, and we'll see how much of a difference it makes like on the actual road. So here is just driving with normal headlights. All right, and then we got the light bar. It's a world of a difference. So no light bar, brights, light bar, and brights. It's insane. It's so much brighter than, like, brighter and wider than what my brights are. So it's perfect for what we're actually going to be using it for. I'm going to be using it for in winter, and I was going to turn it on, but there's a car coming. I'm going to be using it for winter and for like hunting, driving around on our land trying to find some animals to kill, hopefully raccoons, but that's for another video. Yeah, I mean, just, it's insane. My brights actually, because they're so much higher, they'll reach a little bit farther, but the light bar is a lot wider, which is actually what we kind of needed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry that I didn't really go through as much as I wanted to with the install, but we got it done. It works great. I'm pretty happy with it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe to see more. See ya.